Materials required: battery, battery cap, switch, buzzer. Battery cap positive terminal is added to switch, and buzzer positive terminal is added to switch. These two negative switches are added to this. This you available in bulbs starter. Add like that and turn well. Fold here. Take this terminal also. Add. Take plaster. Plaster. Cut this. After cut here like that also. Take this. Take this plaster and mix. These two terminals should not touch each other. Take matchbox. Take one and put here, and take some plaster. Cut. Put, and here you should put a plaster. Take this like this. Switch should be on and battery also connected. Just take. Take under fastly. After it cools, it will stop buzzering. Bye friends. It is very, don't